Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me.
RH bitch, yeah.
Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm becoming real bright. Let me turn down my brightness. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to do our Christmas inspired makeup look. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know I've been doing the 5 days of Christmas, but today I decided to record because y'all really got on me about not recording the Grinch makeup look, and I'm like, honey, y'all barely watch my video, so why would I film such a great look if I know y'all not gonna watch it? We're going to do a Santa baby inspired makeup look for today, so that's what we're gonna do today. So if you want to see how I transform into a bad bee Santa baby, then just keep on watching the video. So I already have my eyebrows on, my face primed, and my eyes primed. I have a whole series, not a half one, a 4-part series of how I do my makeup from brows all the way to lip. Definitely go check that out. I will leave the link to that video right here. Click that video, watch it, come back to this video, and you'll see how we get to this point, okay? We're gonna start with eyeshadow. Y'all are probably like, girl, why do you always have your hair in 4 braids? Well, first of all, don't be checking for me, because if I wanna have my hair in 4 braids, I'm gonna do that. But you should already know we about to throw this wig on, okay? I'm taking the NYX Ultimate. I'm taking this red shade. I can't remember if the red shade was patchy in this palette, but we're about to find out today, because I can't remember. And we're going to use this as our transition shade. We're going full out with this Santa baby inspired look. And I'm taking this on my NYX Professional Makeup Brush in number 16. And I'm first patting the color down, because I've noticed you get more pigmentation when you pat the color on first than just going in to blend it. So now I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm going to take this shade right here. I think the shade is called Roxanne. I'm not sure, but it's this brick red shade, and we are going to put that in the crease. And I'm taking this on a Morphe R39 brush. Okay, so I carved out my lid and I blended the edges. So now I'm going to tap into the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette, and I'm taking this silver shade right here and I'm laying this down as a base before we put some glitter on. So for glitter, I'm just taking this regular old glitter. It's not cosmetic glitter, it's just glitter. And I'm taking a silver glitter and a red silver glitter. This has silver reflexes in it. So we're just gonna mix the two. We're gonna create something fabulous. So I'm just gonna pat this on with my finger. I'm taking the NYX glitter glue. And we're just going to pack this on the lid. Okay, so that is it for the eye. So now we're gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna do my face off camera because I already have a video on it. So I'm gonna come back and we are going to finish off the rest of the look. Okay, so I have the face complete. I also threw on the lashes that I will be wearing. So now we're gonna move on to the under eye. So this is about to just be real simple. Like I literally have glitter all over my face and it's literally ridiculous. You won't be able to tell because it's so far away. So I'm going to go in with this forest green from the Huda Beauty palette. It looks like blue on camera, but it's green. And this is in the Emerald Obsession. I got this from IMAX. I got like 6 of them from IMAX because I don't know how to act. So for blush, I'm just gonna go in with like this color right here. And this is a contour blush, and this is by Lanique. And it's just it just adds like a nice color to the face. Not too much, because y'all know I hate blush. Literally hate it. So now I'm going to highlight. I honestly don't know what I want to do for highlight. I might just do like a bronzy. I don't know. So I'm going to hop into this palette. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit palette in Sun Dip. Okay, so I'm gonna hop into Bronze and Moonstone. Bronze and Moonstone. We're gonna move on to the lips, and I'm gonna throw on my wig, and I'm going to be right back. That's it for the finished look. I just put a green lip on because it's just festive. Like, we are just festive, honey. And we about to put these shades on because Mrs. Claus has to slay, don't play. Okay. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Join the B.O.M.B Squad because what? We are the realest squad on the internet. Leave a comment in the comment box below if you enjoyed this video. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Merry Christmas, everyone.